Cooking with Mama. So you got your ramen noodles. So you grab your Tony Satchels. You pour about half of the seasoning in there, just like half the bottle. A good amount, a good amount. That's about the right amount, just a little bit more, just a little bit. Alrighty. Gotta get some my glories in there. In this pool. A little bit more than that. No. And then you get your old baby. And you pour it. You get your pitchforks and you stir that shit. You watch the seasoning goodness mixed with the water and the goodness of the noodles. Yes. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh yeah. You mix it. Oh yeah, you mix it and you get it good, you get it real good. Yeah. And then now you got some noodles that you're gonna mix and you're gonna eat. It's perfect.